Hi, welcome once again to Learning English Language Classes. Today we are going to do the fourth lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn a very important part of English grammar, the parts of speech. We have seen that when we speak a sentence, it comprises of a group of words. These words play different parts to give the complete sense to the sentence. As such, these different classes of words are called parts of speech. They are 8 in number, namely noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. The very first part of speech is a noun. Whatever you see around you and you can give it a name is called a noun. A noun is a word used as a name of a person, place, or thing. The word thing includes all the objects we can see, hear, taste, touch, or smell, and also something we can think of but cannot perceive by the senses. For example, Delhi, city, ball, all these are the examples of a noun. Now we would learn about the kinds of noun. There are 5 kinds of noun: proper, common, collective, material, and abstract. The first one is proper noun. Proper means one's own. For example, Ashoka was a great king. We speak about one king of that name. Ashoka is his special name and therefore is called a proper noun. A proper noun is the special name of a particular person or place. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Let's discuss common noun. A name given in common to every person, place, or thing of the same kind or class is called a common noun. Common means shared by all, like girl, man, woman, boy, elephant, town, school, book, bank, country. All this fall under the category common noun. Now let's do this exercise and try to find out proper nouns and common nouns from the following words and write them correctly. If it is a proper noun, it should begin with a capital letter. Pause this video and try to do this exercise. The answers would be in the next slide. I hope you were able to answer most of the questions. Now let's move on to the next category, collective noun. Now that we have discussed proper and common noun, the third category would be collective noun. A collective noun is a name given to a number or collection of persons or things taken together and spoken as one whole. For example, a fleet. What is a fleet? A collection of ships. An army, a collection of soldiers. A crowd, a collection of people. A class, a collection of students. A herd, a collection of cattle. Now let's do this exercise. Complete each phrase by putting in the proper collective noun. Choose from the box. Cattle, soldiers, sticks, sheep, musician. As I have told you earlier, pause the video and try to do this exercise and you would see the answers in the next slide. That was an easy one. Let's try another one. Try one more exercise. Fill in the blanks with the most suitable collective nouns using the words from the box. Library, school, choir, swamp, bouquet. Now let's move on to the next kind of noun, that's material noun. A material noun is one of which things are made of, like wood, metal, clay, glass, sugar. Let's try to write the suitable material noun from the ones given below. Wood, glass, meat, metal, sugar, air, clay, milk, silver. Once again, pause the video and do this exercise and you will find the answers in the next one. Hope you got your answers right. It's time to move on to the final kind of noun, that's called the abstract noun. The last kind of noun is the abstract noun. An abstract noun is the name given to a quality, action, state considered apart from the object to which it belongs as. What is quality? Like goodness, kindness, darkness, all words that end with the suffix ness fall under quality. There can be other words too, like honesty, wisdom, bravery. Next is action. Laughter, hatred, judgment, all these fall under action. State. Childhood, youth, slavery, sleep, death, poverty, all this falls under state. The name of arts and sciences, English, music, grammar, chemistry, all are also considered abstract nouns. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe our videos. We would discuss more about nouns, the genders, the singular, plural, all this in our next video. Stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our videos. Thank you.